Alright guys, so today in this particular video, I'm gonna guide you how you can create password for your Windows 11 Pro, which is a little bit tricky than just old version Windows. So I'm gonna guide you step by step how you can create password for your 11 Pro. So first of all, come here and click in Start Windows icon, or you can come here and click in Search. Otherwise, you can here come to Setting here. So click in Setting. One is you see your setting, and on top left corner just click in account. One is you click in an account and you see click in sign in option. Okay, so one is you click in sign in option, you see facial recognition, fingerprint recognition, pin, Windows Hello. So you can see the options. This option is currently unavailable. Facial recognition, again fingerprint recognition is currently unavailable, and pin password is also unavailable. So you can leave unavailable options and come here security key and password. So what you have to do is click in password. Okay, so when you see clicking in password, you can use a password signing in Windows apps and services. So click in add. So then what you have to do is you can create your password. Okay, just for me, I can create my own password. Right, you can give your password hint here, which is very important. Sometimes you might forget your password, so you can create your password and then you can put password hint, which is very important, especially to access your computer. Even if in some case of emergency you pass it away, or you may miss something, and your family can access your document in an easy way. So putting a password hint is very important. So put it as a password hint, and then one is done everything, and you go to next, you down. So click next. So look at here now. The next time you sign in your new password. Okay, so now password is already created and finished here. So now password is successfully done, and next time when you go to your device, you can sign. You can open your window, your apps, and any other device in your computer. First of all, you can enter the password you can give on right now here. So this is all about what I have for you. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and be a family for this particular channel. Thank you for doing that, and I appreciate all your engagement in my channel. God bless you. See you soon. Bye bye.